Hello, everybody. Mark Bruno with the Monterey Peninsula Home Team. How are you? Today, I want to talk to you about a new listing that we have out off of the Salinas Monterey HWY. It is Unit 50 in the Villas. The Villas is located at 23799 Salinas Monterey HWY. It's a little area that it's actually almost like a little resort with a bunch of little condos. There's a 10-hole golf course. They have tennis courts, walking trails, a clubhouse. It's a great little area that'll make you feel like you're living in, almost like a little miniature resort. This particular property, it's a condo that has a two-car garage underneath. It has an elevator that goes up to an 1,800 square foot. I think it's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath home, if I'm not mistaken. And yeah, that's right. And it's actually in great condition. It's got a nice balcony out in front, and then behind is a killer deck that's real private. This area gets a lot of sunshine, but it doesn't get super hot. It still gets cooled by the coastal breezes in the evening time. So it's an ideal location. So I'm going to share my screen, and I can show you. Here's actually a picture of the front-facing deck of the property. And here's kind of looking out at the area itself. So you can see very clean, well-kept HOA. Here's the backyard, so super private. These guys have put a ton of effort into creating this little oasis back here, which is really cool. Another angle on it. Here's one from up high. Here's the 2-car garage. And again, there's an elevator. So even though this unit is up above the elevated garage, the garage itself, and their stairs get up here, you do have an elevator, so you don't have to worry about groceries and things like that. And here's a door to get into that lower level if you want. There's storage in there. Here's the tennis courts. So here's the grounds at the villas. So as you're driving in, you can see there's a little part of the golf course over here on the right. So it's a 10-hole golf course from what I understand. I've never actually played it. It looks like it'd be fun though. Little putting green. There's a little hole here over the water. This one you actually drive by on Highway 68. It's out that way, or the Salinas Monterey HWY. Here's the clubhouse. Little floor plan. And here's kind of what they look like in the exterior. You do share a wall with your neighbor. It is, kind of a townhouse style. And then here's the front door. So to show you the interior, I'm actually going to use our 3D tour that we have. So this is the page that you would be on right now watching this. Here's where the video that I'm making right now will reside, and you'll click on it. Down here, if you want, there's a 3D Matterport tour. We have a property website with larger pictures of the property. I think the floor plan is there. We have a page with MLS listing details. If you want to contact us, ask us questions, or request a showing of this property, you can do so here. And then you can download my app also, which is kind of cool for your phone. Works anywhere in the US, so not just locally. And it's different than Zillow and Trulia. If you ever notice when you use Zillow or Trulia or any of those bigger company apps, as you then start to do other things with your phone, real estate ads start to follow you around. If you use our app, that's not going to happen. So Keller Williams developed this app, and they're all about keeping your information private and not sharing with other people. So that's important to know. And then if you want to see other virtual open houses, you can click this link right down here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to open up the 3D tour. So this actually lets you walk through the house. So you see it creates like a 3-dimensional dollhouse. And then here's actually the elevator. What's cool about this is I'm going to kind of go through this home fairly quickly. You can come back and look at this 3D tour yourself by clicking that 3D tour button that I just showed you, and spend as much time in this house as you want looking around. And you can do it, in your pajamas at home if we get another shelter-in-place order. In complete safety. And then if you think it's something you do want to go and see, you can contact us or your realtor, and they can set it up. Okay, so front door is behind me. Elevator is right there. This elevator does function. It works great. A lot of these units all had elevators. Most of the elevators no longer work. These guys have kept theirs up, and it works. So gas fireplace, you can see large deck out here, good sized dining area. This particular property's been updated quite a bit, so you can see by the floors. And we'll look at the kitchen from this side. You see the kitchen's been totally remodeled and is opened up to the dining area, which is pretty nice. Go up and check out the bedrooms. Beautiful floors in this home. And you can tell how well it's been maintained. So large bedroom, plantation shutters. There's a picture of our camera. Somehow that always makes it into these. Here's the hall bath. So it's kind of nice. The toilet and the shower can be shut separately. You can tell these are not original doors, so they've been replaced. And down at the end of the hall, we have another bedroom, which looks like they've had set up as more like an office. And then there's a master suite over on this side. And you can see the master bath has been nicely updated, kind of on the current trends. Beautiful big walk-in shower with no step, which is really cool. Big dual vanity. And even though the 3D tour won't allow us to go out, you kind of get a feel. You got this big sliding glass door, and then there's your backyard that is all set up for hanging out at night or in the daytime. Again, you're in the Sun Belt here, which is really nice. Move us back out to that front door. So that concludes the virtual open house. Like I said, if you want to look at the home in more detail, you can just click on the link below that says 3D tour, and it'll take you to the tour that I just was using, and you can walk yourself through the house at your own pace. We have number 62 in this complex under contract as I'm doing this video. So we know the complex very well. If you have questions, feel free to reach out. You can reach me on my cell phone, 831-917-8190. Again, my name's Mark Bruno. Or you can talk to Rochelle or Jeff or Linda Nichols, anybody else that's on our team, and they would be more than happy to help you out. Linda Doris, didn't mean to forget you, Linda D. So I hope you enjoyed the virtual open house of 23799 Salinas Monterey Highway, unit number 50. And I look forward to seeing you on the next virtual open house that we do. I really look forward to seeing you in person when we're allowed to do in-person open houses. But for now, this is just going to have to do. All right, take care. Bye-bye.